I know it's not easy to take a random stranger's opinions and just believe everything they say, but I'm only making this because we full on love every bit of this car. My 10-year-olds have had a lot of toy cars, which I know sounds ridiculous, but because of this, I've also been able to figure out which features work best and are actually worth it. And this is the first car that actually checks all my boxes. Some of our past cars, you had to take the battery out and charge it, which made you also have to disassemble parts of the car just to get to the battery. So the very first thing on my checklist is an easily accessible charging port, which this has. So even if you're looking at a different brand, do yourself a favor and make sure that the charging port is on the outside. Next, and this one is not a requirement, but if it has a working dashboard with fun lights and a working stereo system, it just makes the whole experience that much more fun for the kids, and this one definitely checks those boxes. You can actually hook this one to Bluetooth or to play whatever you'd like, or it already has children's songs installed on the radio, so it's not a real AM FM radio, so they're not gonna stumble on something you don't want. Another box this checks is the parent control remote. The first time you use a remote for one of these, it feels a little jerky, but you get the hang of it after about a minute. And being able to take this around for an hour and a half on Halloween night and not only still have 75% battery charge left at the end, but being in control while weaving in and out of a million other parents and trick-or-treaters was just awesome. And then a box I didn't know I needed checked was the option for four-wheel drive. I am constantly amazed at the terrains we've taken this car on that it can handle, and the steep driveway hills that we conquered on Halloween. We got so many comments on Halloween night about how stinking cool this car is. I will say I have had some cars that I was able to assemble when they arrived, but this one was a little too complicated for me, though my husband was able to do it without even looking at the directions, so I can't really uncheck that box.
Hey, look at her.